welcome back to my picture. Okay. Okay, my mommy bought a new dress, so let's... Okay, come on.
Papi ka man sa Sabay Tebi. Sabay Tebi.
Wake up nga. May gusto mo?
Hindi siguro ako na ano bukas, no? So magtanggit bukas.
Ayun, sanggit ka tayo.
Hindi lang ako dun sa komendo kahit yung tag 50 lang. Dami rin eh.
Santa. Liligo ka ba?
Vlog. Sige na. Sa kanila. Oo, no?
Dadon.
This is here.
Saan kami sa Christmas party?
Oo. Alam mo magkano pa lang ito nakuha?
Ito susuotin ko.
162.
Daddy.
Tinignan ko kasi sa ibang ano. Mahal.
Sasabihin ko to sa
280 nila
Christmas
binibenta.
party ni Daddy. Tapos yung isa sa Christmas party ko.
Saan susuotin niya isa?
Ito sa Christmas party niya. Ito sa Christmas party mo. Si Teki na lang ang wala. Meron ka na, girl. Di ba
This
may
is
nag-iisa
my
na
suit. This is my suit.
Papasok na yun sa loob.
And not the that and this too. And this scene. Because I don't want to see it to people because it's too messy. My mom gets tired of this cleaning up a mess. I don't know.
Drop off ka.
You. Let's go to my room. It's upstairs. There you go. Out. This is my room. Wait a minute. This is my room. Full of paintings. And also my paintings. And some cushions. And this is just my sister putting his back because it's not fit enough in his room. There you go, this is the clothes. There. Okay guys. Okay guys, that's my tour of my dress, the shoes and the room. Bye bye. Peace.